Sai channel, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we are ready to do the PUBG gameplay 90 FPS support test in the Realme X1 Max by using the Realme X2 Pro's trick. Yes friends, this video is going to be really very interesting. So if you cannot understand what I am saying, try to watch till end of the video friends. Don't try to skip any part because right now the Realme X1 Max users, they should know there's one serious problem is going on in the X1 Max users. So which for the gamers, so in the gamer point of view I'm trying to talk, not for the normal user point of view, because right now the game FPS will be perfectly locked to only 60 FPS. Yes, so same problem has happened in the Realme X2 Pro as well, but there is another way to fix in the Realme X2 Pro. Now I'll try to show you exactly what is the way, and I'll try to apply same way in the Realme X7 Max as well to show you it's not working at all. So Realme need to step and they need to fix this kind of Realme UI optimization in the Realme X1 Max. So the only thing is that both phones, they do have the 90 FPS and both are from the Realme company only, but still this phone can do and this phone cannot do. First let me show you friends. Right now as you can see I'm getting only 60 FPS. That's no problem. I'll try to show you exactly the settings as well. So 90 FPS, I enabled the 90 FPS everywhere as you can see, but I'm getting only 60. That's no problem friends. I'll try to show you what is the trick I'm trying to use. And first you need to decrease the complete brightness. Decrease complete brightness. I know you won't see anything in the camera. Now try to open the game space. So now try to open the game space and open the multitasking button, press the multitasking and try to clear the PUBG game from the multitasking and try to open the PUBG game from the game space directly. So I do know friends, sorry, I don't know in the dark you won't be able to see that, but this is a step you need to do. So same kind of process I'll try to use in the Realme X1 Max as well, just to show you what it is. So now the game will open and now you need to increase the brightness little by little. Slowly you need to increase the brightness. Don't increase very high, little by little. As you can see, the 90 FPS you can see in the game space. As you can see, it's clearly 90 FPS in the Realme X2 Pro. Not using any kind of trick, no GFX tool, nothing. So same settings, as you can see, perfectly done. And you can actually play the 90 FPS continuously in the Realme X2 Pro. As you can see, so there's a problem with the brightness. I'm not sure why it's interlinked with the brightness and the FPS. So as soon as you increase the brightness, the FPS will decrease to 60. Yes, that's the kind of problem in the Realme X2 Pro. That's what I am dealing with this phone, as you can see. But same trick I'll try to use in the Realme X1 Max. That is what the few users they did suggest me to use. Can you please try the same trick what you're using here in front of the camera? That is what I'm going to show you. So right now, first thing is to decrease the complete brightness to 0. That is what the first thing. So right now I'm trying to completely turn off the lights and studio light. I'll try to show you exactly what I'm trying to do. So try to decrease the brightness, just only decrease completely to 0. Okay, now go to the home screen and now select the game space option which is present. Let me to type in the game space and try to open the game space and now clear the background PUBG. Okay, and now open the PUBG from the game space. As you can see friends, and don't increase the brightness. So meanwhile you should not touch the brightness at all. So that is what I did, same trick in the Realme X2 Pro, and let's see in front of the camera. I just want to try it, so whether it's working or not, that is what I'm going to check in this video. So right now you cannot see any kind of real-time FPS meter increasing at all now. As you can see friends, same trick I tried in the Realme X2 Pro, it worked, but same trick in this phone, it's not working. As you can see friends, you're getting only 60 FPS. I did use the settings also. I have used 90 FPS only, other than that nothing. As you can see, 90 FPS perfectly, but still no use at all. So one thing is clearly understood, that the Realme UI needs to be optimized a lot. Even this kind of trick, why we need to do it at the first place? We should not do like that. But few of the users, they were able to play it properly, even with full brightness, and few users like me, only few of them, they should do this kind of trick. That is what I'm trying to mention. Not all the Realme X2 Pro having this kind of problem. Only few users, I'm not sure how many of them, but definitely there are some people having this kind of issues in the Realme X2 Pro. But right now friends, as you can see, absolutely, you need to do this, even after doing this kind of trick, but still the FPS meter doesn't increase more than 60, not at all. So I think there's some kind of a lock is going on this kind of 60 FPS lock. That is the reason you are unable to see the FPS count more than 60. Not only in the PUBG, even with the Standoff 2, so many other games which actually supports 120 FPS, you cannot see that kind of 120 FPS. It's a kind of big problem, I would say, for the gamers mostly, because now we got the 90 FPS update and now the Realme UI is not optimized. So this is a problem friends, the Realme X1 Max users will definitely face, and I'm not sure when this problem will be fixed. So you will not be able to play the 90 FPS until the Realme decides and step forward and solve this kind of problem as soon as possible. And right now I'm running one more thing I forgot to mention. I'm running the A.15 version update. Let me just show you exactly. As you can see, this is the update version which I'm trying to run 8.15. So 8.16, only few of the users did receive on the Realme X1 Max, not all the users, only few. So because there is a dynamic RAM expansion and few other things got added, so there is only limited users got that kind of 8.16 update. That is what I did get some kind of article online. So let's see when I get the 8.16, maybe, I'm not sure, but maybe I can definitely try this kind of trick, whether this will work or not. But meanwhile what I'm asking from the Realme X1 Max users is that try to use the same kind of trick, friends, and just check whether you are getting any kind of 90 fps or not. That is what I'm going to see in the comments as well. Same trick, just decrease the brightness and open the game space and close this game, and from the game space try to open. You did see the proof. As you can see, you did see the proof where it got started successfully in this phone. 90 fps, it's working. As you can see, friends, in the Realme X2 Pro, same trick I tried in the same company, in the Realme only, in same game space and everything. Realme UI 2.0, Android 11 update, everything is same, but except a Snapdragon 850. But I don't think this is related to the Snapdragon process or any PUBG. This must be related maybe to the Realme UI. That is what I'm guessing right now in this moment. So if you ask me, is it a big thing or not? I would say it's not that big thing, but definitely as a future-proof option, friends, you should know all these things before buying the phone for the gaming. So right now, most of the people, they're gaming at 90 FPS, and you should not feel backward playing the game at 60 FPS. That is the reason I thought of just mentioning all these kind of problems before you get to know. So try to know all these kind of issues before actually buying the device, and later you should not regret why you bought the device. And not only that, even the 4D vibrations also not working in the phone. Yes, the 4D vibrations also, haptic feedback, it's not working in my device. I'm not sure why it's not working. And even few of the users, they are able to use the 4D vibrations, but with different kind of PUBG version. I think Korean version, or I'm not sure what kind of APK they're trying to use. But in my APK, in my testing, I did not even get one time the haptic feedback in this phone. That's another thing which I thought of just mentioning for the users, so which might be kind of helpful, I would say. So in case if you have any other queries, make sure to comment below, friends. And so very soon I'll try to do the HDR plus extreme testing as well on this phone, using the temperature check and time check as well. I'll try to see how much the battery will be draining and how much the temperature will be increasing. That is what I'm going to check very soon. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. And meanwhile, as you can see right now, I was able to get the 90 FPS in the Realme X2 Pro without any problem. You can clearly see that, perfectly done. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Even using the same trick, it's not working at all in the Realme X1 Max. So sorry for disappointing you all. I know even I'm eagerly waiting for that kind of 90 FPS to play in the phone. Right now, let me just show you. As soon as I increase the brightness, the FPS count will decrease. So you need to increase very slow. As you can see, right now it came down to 60. As you can see, friends, that's kind of weird thing is happening here. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and bye.